Is this my real hair, you ask? Yes, it is. I'm just kidding. This was not planned. I'm just kidding. Yes, it was. Today, my light just got dark. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marian Elise, and today I have a hair video because I've really been slacking on my hair videos because I just got into makeup so much more for some reason. So I've really been slacking on my hair videos. I know, I'm sorry. A lot of people have been messaging me about my last hair, which I do have an update coming on that. And I have so many other hair videos coming out too because we like balance on the channel. We need balance, okay? So I'm gonna be giving y'all makeup, hair, and college tips. But anyways, as you can tell by the title, I do have a hair review for you guys today. So today I'll be reviewing an Amazon hair company called ViviBabi. Look at this. This is too cute. Like, hold up. We both got on lavender. Like, me and the package, we both wearing lavender. Who wear it better? It does. I know. Y'all don't even got to tell me. You don't even have to tell me. So I think it's called ViviBabi. I'm not sure. But we're going to go with ViviBabi because I like how ViviBabi sounds. So this company, ViviBabi, reached out to me and they sent me a deep wave wig. And so let's open it. So this wig, I'm having a hard time opening this, by the way.
I can't open this.
Got it. So after 8 days of opening this box, it really wasn't that hard. I was just struggling for no reason. But so yeah, so this is the hair. Y'all, I haven't even took it out yet and it looks so gorgeous. So first, let's look at what all they sent me in this box. I got a business card and it says, thank you so much for your order. Hope you like the hair. It has one professional actor sales service team. Yes, y'all, this company does not play when it comes to customer service because they have a 24-hour service team. We were in contact 24 hours. Usually when you do contact hair companies or you want to buy hair, it just takes so long because it's a 12-hour difference here versus in China. And it's just like all over the place. So this company, I don't know how they do it. I don't know if they have like people who stay up 24 hours or if they have like a 12-hour shift and then another 12-hour shift, or I don't know, but
you reach them,
if you contact them at 12 o'clock p.m. they're gonna respond. If you contact them at 1 o'clock,
2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, they're gonna respond.
it's 24 hours. And this is the front of it. ViviBabi hair, 100% human hair. So you can wash his hair, you can flat iron it, you can curl it, you can straighten it, you can whip it, snip it, lip it, whatever. You can do everything to this hair, okay? Okay, because it's human hair. Up my phone. And they also have their contacts on the back of the card. They have their Instagram, their WhatsApp, and their email. I'll put that on the screen and in the description box as well, so check it out. Make sure you check those out. And don't forget to subscribe before I show y'all this hair. If you haven't subscribed, like, what you waiting on? They also sent me a wig cap. Y'all, I'm so used to companies sending wig caps and they like usually send the lightest shade. But like, I didn't even tell them. But because this is a U-part wig, I'm not gonna need that. Because this wig is a U-part wig, I'm really not gonna need a stocking cap right now. But for any other wigs, I will need it. Now let's get on to the hair. So here's what y'all have been waiting for. It came wrapped up in a hairnet. As you can see, it's falling off. And here is the wig in all of her glory. Look how beautiful this is. Y'all, I don't know if my camera is like getting how cute this is. So y'all, look at this. Boom. Boom. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. This hair does come in body wave and deep wave. This is deep wave and this is the U part. and it goes up to 24 inches. So if you want it longer, you can get it longer. If you want it shorter, you can get it shorter, all the way to 14 or 16 inches. Okay, period. Want to check this out? Y'all, this hair is so soft and it's super Amazon, hire me Amazon, because I promise y'all, I just find the best stuff ever. But y'all, this hair is super soft. It is 20 inches. It's 20 inches, so it looks like it's really 20 inches. Okay. I usually get my hair super long, but I need to switch it up from time to time. I need to learn how to switch it up. So yeah. So for one, if you don't know what a U-part wig is, a U-part wig is when you have your real hair left out at the top of your wig, as you can see on my hair right now. So I didn't really do my hair today because I knew I would be putting this one on and switching it up. But y'all see how my hair look a mess right now, but like at the top is my real hair, and then this is not me, but it's still me because I bought it. Yeah. So y'all see how this hair, you know, and then my real hair. Like I said, I didn't really try to blend it out too much because I knew I was going to be doing my hair for real. But so U-part wigs, you basically leave your hair out at this little part to cover the top, if that makes sense. Yeah. So you just leave your hair out and you cut this. So you cut this part. So I probably need some scissors. So this cap has 1, 2, 3, 4, and one at the bottom. 5 combs in it, and it feels very stretchy, so I should be fine. I have a big head, so this cap looks like it's got me covered. And it also has elastic bands in the inside. It looks very neatly and nicely made. The only thing I'm worried about, y'all, is my hair blending with this beautiful hair. So luckily it is just deep wave, so it's not like a super tight wave, but my real hair, like right here, that I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make this blend. So I'm gonna do this off camera and put the wig on because I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'll come back and show y'all what I come up with. Okay, I might put it on here, I don't know, I might record, I don't know, we'll see. By the way, if you haven't checked out my other videos, you should definitely go do that as soon as you finish watching this one. Okay. But alright, y'all, I'm about to switch out my hair. So in the next clip, y'all gonna see me looking totally different. Alright, so y'all don't make fun of me, okay? I promise y'all I'm not done. So I went to the bathroom and did my edges. Can we? Yes, ma'am. Yes. And I figured out how to blend my hair with this. So I ended up one curling my hair, which is why I look all wonky. I decided I'm gonna come finish the rest on camera so y'all can see what I'm doing. I have my comb, my 3-way comb. Okay. And so I'm gonna use this comb to kind of bring everything together. Let me show you how my hair looks. Okay. So I'm just going to use this comb to kind of bring it all together and see if it'll blend. It just took me like 5 minutes to uncurl the pieces that I did have left out, and now we're just gonna blend them. So I'm gonna use this part of the comb because I'm scared. And I'm gonna start with the real hair first. Y'all, look at that, it's getting big, it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do this side. And I'm just going through it with the comb. If you want to finger detangle, if you want to finger comb it, you can. You don't have to use a comb, but I'm just gonna use my comb. This hair is so soft, y'all, like so soft. And now I'm gonna take this part and do my real hair. Oh my gosh, I don't know if it's blending, but it's doing something. Okay, hello. Same over here. And I'm just combing it into the wig. So since my curls are a lot more defined than I thought they would be, I guess I could go and use this part of the comb to kind of separate it a little bit more. once again, it's just hard to try something to match my hair with the fake hair. So now I'm gonna take my mousse by Cantu. You can use any mousse. It's just curling mousse, and I'm just gonna use it to kind of get rid of the frizz from the fake hair. I'm putting this on the wig, not my actual hair, cause yeah, it's really just to tame what's going on down here. I think I done did something. I think I done did something. Period. Okay. Doing the same over here. I'm trying to avoid my real hair on purpose because I just feel like I should. I don't know. This is how the hair looks. Y'all, this hair is so soft. Like, this hair is so soft. Like, oh my gosh. So soft. Like, y'all need to go buy this. It is so soft. I keep looking in the viewfinder because, like, I'm so amazed. But, like, do y'all see this? I don't know if it's blended on camera. I promise, I'm looking into my mirror over here and it looks blended, but like on camera right here, it looks like it's a problem with my hair. I probably should have did tighter curls on my real hair, but it's okay because, you know, I can just throw it back. So this is the final look, guys. I love this hair, y'all. I want to go buy this and body wave and see how it is in body wave. I feel like this would be such a cute little summer hairstyle if you just need something quick. Cause y'all, I know I probably look like I was struggling on the camera, but I promise y'all, it took me no longer than 5 minutes to just quickly do like 5 curls on my real hair. And then it took me like, what, 3 seconds to put the wig on, put the mousse on, and now boom. This is too cute. I think I did pretty decent for it to be my first one. I just have to learn how to blend textures together because, of course, my real hair being out is a lot harder to blend with this other real hair. Some other styles that you could probably do would be to like twist it. You can pin it back and have the rest of it coming to the front. I'm sorry, my head is cut off, but yeah, so it's so much you can do with this hair, y'all. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.